Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Skullcandy Venue wireless headphones. These are active noise cancelling, and as you can see it says all music no noise, which basically shows you that these have some type of active noise cancellation. They also have a built-in tile feature, which means you can find these if they ever get lost. It says it has a 24-hour battery. You have rapid charge, which means you can get 5 hours of playtime in about 10 minutes. Here are some of the specs. Surroundings. So you have ambient sound, premium 40mm drives, rapid charge, long battery life, active noise cancellation. It comes with a carrying case, the headphones, USB charge cable, 3.5mm cable, 2 years warranty, and a user guide. Now I did try the Skullcandy Crusher, so I'm going to see if these are better or worse. Obviously, if you don't know what the Skullcandy Crusher headphones are, those are the best bass headphones you can get. They have extremely good bass, and I heard them. And obviously, I'm gonna see if these are good enough active noise cancellation or if they're just like a mimic, like Apple Beats. Because Beats don't have any active noise cancellation. It's fake. So here it is. A nice magnetic opening. So really nice presentation here. So it says right here, press and hold to turn on. Then you pair it to your device, and they have the active noise cancellation feature. You just press a little button, a dedicated button. And then it shows you all the mappings. So this is a really nice presentation here. And I believe that's everything you get in the box. Here it is. You have a hard shell case. Really nice. $100. I think so far, first impressions is really good. If these sound good, then that'll be really amazing. So here it is. Here are the headphones. They look really good. You can put them aside. We have, so inside the contents, nicely wrapped, you have a quick start guide as well as a 2-year warranty little paper. Right here you have a micro USB, sadly, to type A charging cable. Feels nice though. If it does fast charging supposedly, then that'll be okay. But sadly it's not type C. You have a gold plated 3.5 auxiliary cable. Really nice. The inside is a nice like velvet type material here. As you can see, there's a little bit of damage right here, so I don't know if that's a good thing. But there is like some glue. So it's not perfect, but these headphones have a LED indicator, power on button, a ANC dedicated button. You have the volume up and down. I think that's an indicator of light. On the bottom we have the charging slot and a 3.5 auxiliary port. I just checked and that is a pairing indicator light. Alright, so it's in pairing mode. I'm going to set this up. Venue, and as you can see it's connected. So the padding on this is pretty good. It's nice and soft. The headrest padding, not so good. I wish it was a little bit better, but hey, it's only $100. You have right and left logo text. On the inside of the ear cuffs I have ANC, which is pretty cool. The headphones swivel, which is really nice, so you can put it on your neck, and yeah, so it's really cool. As well as the headphone, they swivel like this, so it'll match up to your head, which is really nice. You have adjustable band. It's reinforced with some metal. Have a little symbol there, branding. That's pretty much it. So let's go and get a song ready. We're gonna go and test these headphones out. And since it's not a speaker, I could actually listen to a song. Alright, so okay, so first impressions, but when you flip the active noise cancellation, it just gets louder. Okay, that's pretty good. Never mind. Yeah, it's not a gimmick. Wow, okay. I can't even hear myself talk. It's about more than half volume, and I can't really hear anything. Okay, turn it off. Okay. So with no music on, I can barely hear my voice. Like, just barely. If you turn it off. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, I can hear the difference between the active noise cancellation. Yeah, okay, it's legit. This is legit active noise cancellation on board. So you got some legit headphones here. Let's test out these headphones, compare it with headphones. These ones retail for about like $60. These ones have better padding on both of it. So these ones have way better padding. Swivel cuffs. I like these ones a lot, but these ones don't really have the best sound. They have active noise cancellation, but they're nothing compared to this. Yeah, so these have some active noise cancellation, but they're nothing compared to this. Which is really good because that's what you want in headphones. For $40 more, basically, you pay for really good headphones that have active noise cancellation. But overall, these headphones, these are really good. Okay, for $100, like I think the Skullcandy Crushers are like $130 or $150, but these ones for $100, you get pretty good amount of bass, good clear sound, active noise cancellation. You can isolate everything. You can hear sound, your song, whatever you want to do, your media, way better, way clearer. I just wish. I mean, I know it's only $100, but I wish this was a little bit nicer on the inside. On the outside, it looks amazing, and I feel like this material might fade over time, but we'll have to see. This thing might rip off eventually. Yeah, this will rip. As you can see, this right here, this glue work, craftsmanship isn't really good. So I wish it was a little bit nicer on the inside, but once again, only $100. Your content's nicely wrapped here, and you can store your headphones in this really well. I think it goes like that. Yeah, it goes like that. So it's a nice size, as you can see. Nice size pair of headphones. They're pretty comfortable, not gonna lie. Like, even with the top padding, not very, like there's barely any padding, I believe that this ergonomic shape, or this little indent right here, I think it makes it a little bit better, more comfortable. I don't even know how. And it's also there if you want to put them on a headrest. It already has the indent, so you can put it on a headrest perfectly, which is really nice. Highs and lows are actually really good, surprisingly, for $100. Definitely worth it. This is a steal for, oh my gosh, how many times have I said $100? I don't know, but I'm gonna try to cut as many of those out because it's just honestly worth it. Very nice, very nice. Okay, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, of course, to subscribe for more videos just like this. If you guys want to pick some of these active noise cancellation headphones by Skullcandy, you can get them in the link in the description. Only $100 for the Venue wireless pair of headphones. 24 hours battery, fast charging, and active noise cancellation. So these are a definite win. They're not fake active noise cancellation, which I like about it.